So I'm walking down another Target. I try to go to this one because I thought it might have more selection. It's 2 stories, so it does have a bit more selection than the last one. I'm talking quietly because it's a store and I don't want to get caught. But so we have pencil sharps right there. They sell it for $5.99, $4.99. We have the offer I talked about last time, and the zebras for $3.99. But this time they actually do have the tickies. They're on clearance, which is probably why they were sold out the last store. I just wanted to show you guys this one. This is the main focus of the video. So they have it in black. They have it in blue, and it's only the 2 variations they have. The double packs are only 1.7, and these are only 1.5. And all the other ones are 1.7. So if you like size, then Target's not the place to come. And then they also have like some other ones down here, but they have some quick clicks, a lot of quick clicks actually here and here. And yeah, that's the selection of Target. So mainly 0.7s.